Dude, that was awesome.
Thank you.
So now what do you think about that BoonDocker SideKick turbo?
Man, you're not getting it back. I told you that. And we'll have to.
It's cool. It's for sale.
It improved my riding, you know, right there. It gave me the forgiveness that I needed.
Yeah.
And
It's hard to see it all from here, but that was awesome.
I mean, it's such an easy thing, and made, you know, I'm not completely out of breath like I probably would be on mine on a stalker, and it makes it more enjoyable. I mean, the ease of use is so great with the BoonDocker Turbo SideKick.
What about throttle response going through there?
Oh, it was awesome.
Through the trees, tight spots, off and on the throttle.
It was right where I needed to be. I didn't ever feel like, you know, it didn't seem like I was on an old turbo. What I think a turbo is, where you got that lag.
Yeah, get that out of your head.
There was no lag.
Yeah, turbos are different these days.
They are. They just, you know, you brake check, you do that brap, and it's right where you need it to be.
Awesome. So you think you need a sidekick?
Do I think I need a sidekick? Yeah, of course I do.
Perfect. Well, let's go ride.
Sounds good to me. Let's do it again.